What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DJ Avionics back with another video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing my new iPad Pro 11-inch, 256 gig, and my second generation Apple Pencil. I bought these directly from the Apple Store. So I paid $130 for the pencil, and then I paid $950 for the Wi-Fi only 256 gigabyte iPad Pro 11-inch. So I'm going to be using this for drawing and illustration with Photoshop and Illustrator. If I have it sidecard to my Catalina iMac or MacBook Pro, or on the go, I'll be using it with Procreate, the app from the App Store, which is basically just a simplified Photoshop that professionals even use. So yeah, look into that if you're looking for a great drawing app for the iPad Pro, or even the regular iPad using the first generation pencil. So if you guys don't even already know yet, but the second generation pencil only works with the 2018 iPad Pro 11-inch like mine, or the 12.9-inch iPad Pro 3rd generation. So of course, as always, Apple comes through with great packaging, and so great that it's a little tight. There we go. And here we go. Voila. Nice slim iPad. So I previously had the iPad Air 2, and I got it brand new as a T-Mobile device back in 2014. So I sold that, and then the money I used for that went towards buying this one. But I've had, what, 6 great years using that iPad Air 2. Peeling the film is always so gratifying. So I got mine in space gray. And there we go. There is this beautiful, sleek, streamlined iPad Pro 11. Very nice, very nice. Alright, what else comes in the box? Let's see here. We've got our documentation from Apple. Stickers, as always. That'll go on my iPad Pro case, which I will show you guys which one I went with, and some basic showing some of the basic new features of this. I think that's pretty much it in there. So the power brick, I believe, it doesn't say on here, but I believe it is an 18-watt charger, so it should charge the iPad Pro pretty fast. Go ahead and unpeel that. And of course, the USB-C cable. Let's see how long they have this thing at. So this measures 2 feet. So 37 inches is the length of this, so just over 3 feet. Alright, and that's pretty much all that is in the box. So we'll go ahead and put this to the side, and we'll open up the pencil now. The screen protector that I decided to get, it is made by Omaton. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I found mine on Amazon, and it's actually recommended to me by a professional digital illustrator graphic artist by the name of Grimm, who I had the pleasure of meeting at the Level Up Expo 2020 convention here in Las Vegas. I asked them, if you use a screen protector, what kind do you use? Do you use the paper-like that is so popular that's a little overpriced? It's like drawing on paper when you have the pencil on it. Or do you use the normal glass protector? Being that he's a professional, I wanted to get his opinion, and he said he recommended me the Omaton that I ordered, which we'll be getting here tomorrow. But I have the Amazon affiliate link down in my description, so if you're looking to purchase a great protector, Me and Grim both recommend it, and you can purchase it directly through my link down below. Okay, so here we have the pencil in a circular tube here, and let's see if we can get it to focus. It's got the Apple Pencil engraving here. I did not want to get this engraved. For one, in my opinion, I think that's kind of tacky. And number two, in the future, if I'm gonna end up selling this and upgrading, I think, in my opinion, it's gonna be hard for me to sell something that has my name on it or whatever I decide to put on here. So that's the pencil, and here we have some documentation. So here we just have some more paperwork. Like I said, my protector doesn't come in tomorrow, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my case. Now the case I decided to go with was because I'm going to be using this for drawing and illustration, as I mentioned, and some computer-like operations, utilizing a keyboard. So I went with this case, which is Yekby. That's the brand, or I guess they're changing their brands now. It's called Typecase, but it's an all-in-one 360-degree rotational keyboard case for the iPad 11. They've got several colors going on. I went with black, and it's got like 5 versatile modes, 5 use modes: typing, viewing, reading, presenting, watching, long battery life from what I've read. It auto sleeps when not in use and wakes, fast pairing. So yeah, so let's go ahead and put the iPad in the case. So here's that. I'll just remove this when my case comes in. Alright, there we go. So basically, now it's got a little bit more weight to it now that the iPad is in here. But now I can use it as a keyboard as well as drawing on it as a tablet. And then I still have access to the magnet at the top for charging. That's pretty, let's see here. That's pretty strong. The magnet on here is pretty strong. I'm trying to whip the pencil off. It ain't coming off, as you can see. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button to my channel and ring that notifications bell so you can be notified of future videos I'll make with my iPad and my pencil, as I might come up with some tutorials or some hacks or something. And please give this video a like, leave any comments or questions down below, and I will answer them ASAP. And once again, I will have an Amazon affiliate link down below in the description with the screen protector I chose and this specific keyboard case. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. It's time for me to start setting up my iPad so I can get to drawing. See you guys in the next video. Peace.